good day, and I'm learning so much as well.
I'm super excited.
Yes! Come on, let's go.
3 coffees, that's it. Unreal, that's why she's pro.
Today's been awesome. Like, the golf course is in such good condition.
I think it's a bit of a proud moment as well, just to see the mowers out on the golf course.
Fairways are so well manicured, it just feels nice to be out here.
Everyone kind of looks back at me and says, look, it's Husqvarna, so I think it's a very cool and proud moment.
Clutch.
Well, that was a 4, you know?